Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to delete blocked numbers on your Samsung Galaxy device. Let's get started. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and navigate to the phone app. This is usually represented by a green phone icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in the phone app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner or the bottom right corner according to your phone version to open the menu. Here you can find the settings menu or look for the blocked option. Tap on it. Here you'll see all the list of the blocked numbers. To delete a blocked number, simply tap the number you want to remove. Then tap on Remove. A confirmation prompt might appear. Confirm that you want to unblock the number by tapping Remove. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a blocked number from your Samsung Galaxy device. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and navigate to the phone app. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.